This full HD video will show how a mouse jiggler can stop an inactive Linux computer from shutting down. The package was very big, unlike the tiny Mouse Jiggler, which cost $22, posted from Amazon Australia. The instructions were all very small. The USB device worked very well at stopping my inactive Linux laptops from shutting down and me having to re-enter the password again. On setting 1, the mouse cursor doesn't move very far. This is my favourite setting. On setting 2, the mouse cursor moves all around the screen, which is distracting. On setting 3, the mouse cursor only moves up to 5 pixels. I then push the power button to turn the mouse jiggler off. In description below this online video is a YouTube link to all my Linux tutorials. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and forward the link to your Linux friends. And subscribe to this channel to be notified when I upload the next Linux video tutorial.